and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today I have August Allure Beauty Box. I can't wait to see what's in here. Let's see. I got it so fast. I'm so excited. Sometimes it takes forever for boxes to trickle in, like in the middle of the month or something. But this Allure box showed up. It's got a pretty lady in there. Hi, pretty lady. And it's got information about everything that's in here. And this is to say is the visit the member store where you can get discounts on things. What? Oh my God. I'm really excited. There's some good stuff in here. First up is full size Tula. Tula is great. I love Tula products. This is the Tula Skincare Soap Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Fantastic. I need to exfoliate all the time because there's a lot of buildup of wearing makeup on the regular. And this delightful sugar scrub has won Allure's Best of Beauty Award because it's great exfoliating for all skin types, even sensitive ones. And as a bonus, it smells like a day at the beach. Sugar crystals melt away as you exfoliate and leave behind smoother, softer skin. And with regular use, your complexion will look more radiant and your pores may even seem to shrink. And this is $32. Let's get the calculator out to see what the value is. This is a $23 a month box. 32. Very cool. Let's take a look at this puppy. And this is just a really nice full size. I wonder, it's probably got a seal on it. I don't want to open it just yet because I have some other exfoliators I'm using right now. But I'm sure it smells amazing. That is very exciting for one of the full-size items. Next up, we've got a bunch of nice stuff in here this month. We have from Tint The Brow Gel in Clear. I don't do a lot of brow gels. And it says it's pretty much foolproof. And a few swipes of this clear gel is just a thing for setting and shaping brows after you've filled them in, which in turn can make brows look fuller. It also works wonders on its own because it's transparent. It can make your brows look thicker without seeming drawn on, and you never have to wonder if you found the right shade, which is nice because it's hard to find the right shade for brows. And this is $14, and this is, I'm going to say, a full size. So, if I can get it out of the box. There we go. And this is a great size, and that, well, you can get a lot of brow gel in this kind of package right here. And $14 is a very, very reasonable price. Very reasonable. Then next, we have some lashes, and they are Magnitude lashes from Tori Bell, and they're 9 to 5 Magnitude magnetic eyelashes, which I really like magnetic eyelashes. I have trouble with the other kind. What you'll love is there's no sticky, lumpy lash glue here. These magnetically charged falsies adhere to the accompanying magnetic liquid eyeliner, and amazingly, they stay in place all day. The lashes have just enough oomph to make your own look believably fuller, and the liner is sleek with a soft, pretty sheen. And this is $55. Let's see if it comes with the stuff. Well, here's the lashes. There's some little bottom lashes there. Let's see if the stuff is in here to go with it. yes, you do get a full size. This is full size. So this is $55, and this is the eyeliner that goes with the lashes. So we're already up to $101 value for the box. And I think that might be, that's 3 full-size things. What's up next is from Solana, and this is definitely a sample size. And this fragrance-free moisturizer, it's a rich whipped cream infused with vitamin D, melts into skin instead of sitting on top. It helps keep it smooth and plump. A rare find. It contains serious hydrating ingredients, coconut oil, and hyaluronic acid to make skin radiant. And this is normally $54 full size. So this is a tiny sample. So I'm not going to assign a value to it because it's probably just a couple dollars. And then from the Beauty Crop, we have a blush duo, and this could be full size. It looks kind of small, but a lot of their stuff is compact. I just ripped the box. I'm tearing this box to hell. My nails are so long. I'm just tearing stuff up. And this says, you'll love this compact. It comes with 2 blushes, and they're powder and cream. Oh, the cream, it's powder and cream. So that's nice. And it's a mauve shade. Both create a gorgeous pink flush on cheeks. The cream version is a bit brighter and totally matte. The powder has a teeny bit of sparkles. They give it cheeks a soft gleam. Both formulas blend out beautifully. You can layer powder over the cream for the most vibrant, longest-lasting blush, or wear one by itself for a softer glow. And this is $10.99. I'm gonna call that a full-size thing. So, because it's only $10.99, and that's about the right price for that. So that's 4 full-size things. And then we have from Sephora collection. Oh, this is so tiny. An old little tiny tube of delightfulness. This is from the Sephora collection Clean Skin Gel Cleanser with prebiotics. And usually facial cleansers are gentle or they take off your makeup, but this gel formula is the best of both worlds. It removes a full face of makeup, mascara included, without any scrubbing, tugging at lashes, or post-cleanse cleanup required. So that's great, and that's normally $12 for a full size. Once again, this is so small, I'm not going to really assign a value to it. I forgot to add the $10.99, I'll call it $11 to the total for the box. And then we have Good Fortune left, and it's a sample of the Good Fortune perfume from Victor and Rolf, and I like their perfumes. They do Flower Bomb. Let's try this out because I love perfumes. I collect perfumes. It is not a very economical hobby, but sometimes I just get obsessed with a fragrance and I have to get it. Let's see if this is one of them. Oh, it smells good. I just sprayed it in my face. It says, let me put my glasses on because it's so tiny. It says Jasmine Super Infusion, Madagascar Vanilla, Fennel, and Gentian Flower Alchemy. It's very floral. It's kind of old lady smelling to me. Kind of smells like an old lady, but I'm glad to try it. So let's go over what we have real quick. This was a great box, $112 value of full-size stuff. We got the Sephora sample, we got this other sample, we got the full-size blush duo from the Beauty Crop, we got the great magnetic eyelashes and full-size liner, we got the full-size Tula polishing scrub, and the brow gel. And that's pretty fantastic. I think that this month's box was totally worth it. What a great value for my $23. I totally feel like I got my money's worth. And I used to have that problem with Allure, thinking not enough stuff that I like. But this month, pretty awesome. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.